Hello and welcome to the Mechanical Explorer. In today's video, we will be exploring the fascinating world of thermodynamics. The thermodynamic is a branch of science that deals with the study of heat, work and energy transfer in a system. Thermodynamic is commonly encountered in many engineering systems and other aspects of life. If we try to make a list, then almost over our everyday life is surrounded by thermodynamics, whether it's car engine, heating, cooling of a house in which we live, refrigerator in our house to preserve vegetable and foods for a long time, and so on. The thermodynamic system refers to any region of space that we are interested in studying. It can be anything. It can be piston cylinder, it can be human body, it can be compressor, anything. So anything outside the system is called surrounding, and the imaginary line which separates surrounding and system is called bound. There are mainly three types of thermodynamic system. Let's try to understand one by one this thermodynamic system. First one is a closed system. In a closed system, there is no exchange of matter with the surrounding, but there is an exchange of energy. For example, if we say the piston cylinder, the gas inside the cylinder can exchange heat with the surrounding, but no gas can escape the system. The second type of thermodynamic system is isolated system. In an isolated system, there are no exchange of matter or energy with the surrounding. For example of the isolated system is a thermos bottle. The hot coffee inside the thermos bottle remains hot for a long time because no heat can escape the system. And the last system is the open system, or we can also say the controlled volume system. In an open system, there is an exchange of matter and energy with the surrounding. For example of the pot of boiling water on a stove, heat is transferred from stove to the pot and water evaporates into the surrounding. So another example is an air compressor or turbine. Almost every thermodynamic system, open system around us, most of the thermodynamic system is a open system. In conclusion, thermodynamic system is a fascinating topic and that have important application in engineering, physics and chemistry. By understanding the different types of thermodynamic system, we can design more efficient engine, more efficient power plant and other energy system. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in a comment below section. And don't forget to subscribe the Mechanical Explorer for more videos on engineering, technology and science.